His testimony is among the most significant evidence to date. And what we have just heard from Ambassador Sondland is that the knowledge of this scheme, this conditioning of the White House, was a basic quid pro quo. It goes right to the heart of the issue of bribery, as well as other potential high crimes or misdemeanors.
This is a bombshell,
but it is explosive.
Okay.
Very explosive.
This is a slow motion explosion.
I can't emphasize how explosive this is right now.
What we have witnessed today on live television, riveting.
Ambassador Sondland's testimony has such gravity to it.
This was an IED from Mr. Sondland. He exploded.
President Trump never told me directly that the aid was conditioned on the meetings.
So it wasn't really a presumption. You heard from Mr. Giuliani.
Well, I didn't hear from Mr. Giuliani about the aid. I heard about the Burisma in 2016.
And you understood at that point, as we discussed 2 + 2 = 4, that the aid was there as well.
That was the problem, Mr. Goldman. No one told me directly that the aid was tied to anything. I was presuming it was. I'm just telling you what I believe, my personal belief, just based on, as you put it, 2 + 2 = 4.
You see, in mathematic fact, 2 + 2 does equal 4. But in reality, 2 presumptions plus 2 presumptions does not equal even 1 fact.
After you testified, Chairman Schiff ran out and gave a press conference and said he gets to impeach the President of the United States because of your testimony. And if you pull up CNN today, right now, their banner says Sondland ties Trump to withholding aid. Is that your testimony today, Ambassador Sondland?
I've said repeatedly, Congressman, I was presuming.
Is it correct? No one on this planet told you that Donald Trump was tying this aid to the investigations? Because if your answer is yes, then the chairman's wrong and the headline on CNN is wrong. No one on this planet told you that President Trump was tying aid to investigations. Yes or no?
Yes.
So, you really have no testimony today that ties President Trump to a scheme to withhold aid from Ukraine in exchange for these investigations?
Other than my own presumption.
Which is nothing.